Good morning, third standard. This is your science class. Mrs. Sheila here. The new lesson, it's raining. Yes, it's raining. Yeah. It's raining so heavily. Happy, no? Enjoying. Very happy to see if our mummy daddy allows, we will play in the rain. Yes? Here. Rain is very important. That is the natural resource of water. That is the only source of water for us. Okay? Right. Here is a small story for you. After that, you have some concepts to learn. Here, there is an elephant, a small baby elephant. Name is Apu. And the elephant likes bananas. You know, even if you go to the temple, we buy bananas and give it to the temple elephant. I think many of you all know that. Okay, the elephant lives in the forest. There you have, near the water sources, you will have a lot of banana trees. So, the elephant used to go there and eat a lot of bananas and enjoy the life. Here, Apu one day wanted to pluck bananas. Went there, but he saw all the plants were drooping. The trees were drooping. Drooping, it's a new word for you. It's drooping means nothing but without water, without food, the plant will become tired and not able to stand straight. They will put their leaves down and try to bend the head. So even if you once you look at it, you know they are tired. He needs water. See, that is where drooping means the head is down. So immediately the baby elephant understood that, went near the river and took water in the trunk, the nose like thing, no, trunk, long trunk, and took water from the river and started splashing on the trees. So every tree was very happy and they become alive. If you leave it for 1 or 2 days, it will die. And the elephants regularly started pouring water. They are also regularly giving lot of bananas to the elephant. The elephant was enjoying. This is what the story is. This story tells you about when you do good for others, you will get good from them. Yes? Elephant poured water without asking the tree. Without asking, elephant never asked for fruit. They are feeding the elephant. So, do good for others, good will come back to you. Don't do bad for others, bad may come back to us. Okay, this is the moral of the story. Here is the concept what you are going to learn is evaporation, condensation and precipitation. Already you have learnt about 3 forms of water. One is solid, another one is liquid, another one is gaseous. Solid is ice, liquid is water vapor. The white thing which is Amma's boiling something, frying something, white thing will come out, no, fumes like velle aavi mari varulla. That is called water vapor. That is the gaseous form of water. How it happened? Last lesson you have learnt the 3 forms of water. How it happened? There also I explained. Due to the sun's heat, the water evaporates and goes up to the sky. Heating process. Evaporation is a heating process. The water vapor is the gaseous form of water, goes to the sky. There it forms a clouds. Different colors of clouds. There is a poem I will read for you. Different colors means don't write multicolor. Shades of color. Either it will be white or grey or light grey, dark grey, little darkest, the lightest part of black. All this you will see in different times of the day or different seasons. Like when there is a darkest cloud, you know there is going to be a heavy rain. Now, the clouds, you should enjoy nature, children. Just if you have a nice place to lie down, look at the sky. You can see there are so many animals. Even I used to enjoy. See, when you imagine and look at a group of clouds, you could see lot of animals. It may be an elephant, it may be a horse, or it may be a starfish, or it may be a dolphin, or it may be some birds. See, the clouds will look like a different shape. It's actually doesn't have a shape like that, but it looks like somebody when they draw modern painting, no, it will look like. But when they say, when you look at it, yeah, there is an elephant hiding. Yes, like that. The clouds also, when you imagine and look at the clouds, you can see lot of animals, birds, and different variety of shapes. That's what the cloud poem says. And now, fair and white, grey and black. This is about the colors of the clouds. Arrive in the magic pack. Elephants and horses, dogs and fawns, sometimes they look like a pair of swans. Swans, you know, the white bird. Pair of swans. See, two swans, duck-like thing. It's a water bird. Look like pair of swans are floating in the water. See, the white cloud looks like that. The moments they come, in moments they go. They will come in one moment and they change it. You must have seen the clouds keep on passing from one place to another place. They will keep on moving it. Just look at the sky and observe all these things, children. And I want everybody to do this. Observe the sky, what you feel. You just 3 minutes voice message you are going to send for me next time. What all you felt when you look at the sky, open sky. Just lie down and look at the sky, or sit and look at the sky. What all you could see, send a voice message. Okay? That is 10 marks. Right. Sometimes they freeze. Freezes looks like white ice, and for weeks they stay, and sometimes they disappear. See, when there is a rainy season, you can't see the white clouds much. It will be fully black. When there is a hot season, you will see the white clouds for many days. Sometimes they pour. Pour means the heavy rain. Sometimes they thunder. They make thunder. Thunder, no noise. Spreading the colors. After the rain, you will see a rainbow. A rainbow. Rainbow is a beautiful color. Rainbow of wonder. And sometimes they hail. Hail means a small ice cubes will fall as a rain. Ice cubes, small ice cubes, beautiful shapes that fall, not as a rain, water varadu. Ice cube ave rain varum. That is called hail. Pelting the ground, breaking the glass, and ringing chimes. Sometimes if they fall, the glass will break. But it will be beautiful to look at. I think last year we had a rain. Now I'm going to explain about water cycle. Now first I told you we have rivers, oceans, seas, ponds, streams. All these waters, due to the heat of the sun, they become water vapor, and that water vapor is a gaseous form of water that goes to the sky, that forms a different types of clouds. Some are dark, some are light, some are white. When there is a condensation, cooling process occurs, the dark clouds, actually the rainy clouds, that's the rain clouds, and pour down as a rain. When they are pouring down, sometimes they pour, I told you, hail, the ice cutting. And that is time they pour, that is called precipitation. 3 new words I have introduced. Evaporation is a heating process. Condensation is a cooling process. Precipitation is the ice cubes, ice falling down. These 3 words you should know. It's all happening. It's because of the sun heat. The sun heats the water. The water will become the gaseous form. That is water vapor. That process is called evaporation. Then it goes to the sky. When the sky cools, it forms the rain clouds. That cooling process is called the condensation. When the rain cloud is formed, we will get rain. Further cooling, some more cooling, then it falls as a ice. That is called precipitation. This is a continuous process. That is why we call it as a water cycle. This is the most important part of the lesson. If anyone wants a doubt about it, again I will explain the water cycle. Special talk about rainbow, because everybody likes rainbow. We have 7 colors in the rainbow. Actually, this is the light split into various individual wavelength. That's a big word for you. Actually, the light split into different color, and the light divide into different color. It gives us different colors according to the reflection. Reflection means Mr. Aristotle, he only found out about the rainbow. Mr. Aristotle. The colors of the rainbow, now you have red, violet, then you have, there are 7 colors. Yes or no? I said red and violet. Yes, sir. See, it's easy way to remember. That is why we made it into WebGR. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. This is the way we can remember as WebGR. Now, this WebGR is easy. When you say WebGR, you will remember violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow and orange and red. I'll give you a beautiful picture of a rainbow. Just look at it. In the same order you have to draw. The same order you have to draw. Which comes from down. First one is down violet. After that, indigo. Then blue, then green. On the top of it should come red. Okay? This is light reflection. I told you. Reflection means, see, what you call, no? When you wear something new metal, you will have lighting reflection. Even Miss wears something new, you will ask, Miss, this is new, because it will reflect the light. Reflection, you will be learning the 7th, 8th, you will be learning. That time I will teach you. Now just see, there are 7 colors in the rainbow. And then easy to remember is WebGR. WebGR expansion, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. How do plants look like when it's after raining? They all will look like very, very fresh. Then water cycle. These two, why I am giving importance, it is because you have to draw these 2 diagrams in your notebook in a nice way. You have to just see, draw a river, a pond or anything, any one water source. Then should draw sunlight. From there the sunlight should come to the water. From there water has become water vapor. Then arrow mark must go up, because the vapor is a gas will not stay down. So then arrow mark goes up. That process is called evaporation, and then it goes and forms a clouds. The cooling cloud, we call it as a rain clouds. Then that process is called condensation. Then after that, after the cooling process, the rain will form. That is called precipitation, or the ice formation, you call it as a precipitation. This is a continuous process. That is why we call it as a water cycle. Water cycle. Rain is the main source of water. Okay? If there is any doubt, you should ask me, right? Okay? Apu's story taught us a beautiful moral. Do good for others, good will come back to us. Don't do bad to others, bad may come. Okay? Do good, children, and observe. And I have given you a test for 10 marks. Alright? Observe the sky, send a voice message. Maybe next Sunday, full day I'm giving you. All the third standard send a voice message. I listen to the message. I'll give the mark and the message itself. Can you understand? Observe the sky and what all you feel. It can be damn and dick. நீ என்ன ஃபீல் பண்ணி எழுதினாலும் வாய்ஸ் மெசேஜில் கொடுத்தாலும் ஐ மீன் பட் இட் ஷுட் பி வித்தின் 2 minutes. 2 minutes கிறிஸ்பாக இருக்கணும். ஓகேவா? ஓகே, என்ஜாய் த day with the sky. Enjoy nice weekend. Stay safe.